In this video, you'll learn how to delete Stripe from your Calendly account. This process involves navigating through the integration section to disconnect Stripe, ensuring your payment options are updated as needed. Begin by logging into your Calendly account. Once you have successfully signed in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you will see a list of options available to you. Click on the option labeled Integrations and Apps to access the integrations page. After you enter the integrations page, you will see various applications and services that can be connected to Calendly. Look for the section that lists your connected integrations. In this section, find the entry for Stripe. You should see a status that indicates Stripe is currently connected. Next, click on the Stripe option. This action will bring up additional details about the integration. Look for the button labeled Disconnect and click on it. This will initiate the process to remove Stripe from your account. Following your click on the Disconnect button, a confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you are sure you want to remove Stripe. It is important to read this prompt carefully. Confirm the removal by clicking the appropriate option, which is typically labeled as Yes or Confirm. After you confirm, the system will process your request. Once the process is complete, you will see a notification indicating that Stripe has been successfully removed from your Calendly account. Ensure that you verify this change by checking the integrations list again to confirm that Stripe no longer appears as connected. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.